And I got a bag of some mixed. I'll be grating this also. Ham, pepperoni, and I got a little chunk of ham I gotta cut up now on the board here. And I have some leftover ham from that ham bone soup. I'll defrost a few pieces. This was in the freezer.
Full cup of very warm water, but not hot, and then let it rise for 10 minutes.
Okay, you're doing the whole mix?
Yeah, I'm going to do the whole mix because we're doing a rather large cookie sheet instead of a round pizza tray.
And this is the can of sauce. What's that?
This is Parmesan cheese and herbs. Probably oregano or something like that.
And you can see we got all the other toppings. I got that ready.
Gradually, and then mix with your hands.
Oh, it's coming along nicely.
Supposed to leave it for 10 minutes. Let it rise for 10 minutes. But I hope I haven't over kneaded it so that it's...
There must be fast action yeast in there.
There must be.
We're just setting it here on letting it rise. Lightly grease the pan. I just got a coffee filter. Okay, she's got a small glass jar. Is that better?
It's easier.
Don't use a real thin jar. It may bust on the dough. This is a real thick jar, so that's why we used it. So now I'm going to put the oven to 425. I guess I'll have to put the exhaust fan on now.
I don't like too much sauce. I don't know whether anybody else does. Like, add the sauce to your own taste, I suppose, is what I should say. And I'm using a spatula to do it. You can use any kind of a spoon, though.
How much is left in the can?
Oh, over half a can. But it's good for spaghetti and any kind of stuff like that. And you know, there's where another way that the jar comes in handy. I like to put the pepperoni underneath the cheese. A lot of times when you go to pizza places, they put it on top of the cheese. But once again, it is a personal preference, and it's up to you how you like your pizza. Our choice, of course. Lots of people like to put fruit on their pizza. When I was in Sweden, they put banana on their pizza. which I found interesting and had to try just because I wanted to say I had tried it.
Yeah, just by chance we have a banana over there if you want to
No,
if you
thanks.
want to put it.
I just wanted to try it. I don't want to do it again. I might need more cheese than what my helper grated for me though.
Well, we can always grate more. I can grate more.
No, that's good.
Okay.
And because I'm going to put this on it.
On my side, don't put as much herb, please.
I'm not going to put herb.
Oh, you're not putting
No,
it?
because there's herbs in the sauce already.
Oh. Do you want to open up the herb to show people what it actually looks like?
Do you want me to sprinkle a little bit on?
No.
I don't think you'll want it. I know I don't.
Maybe I should taste the sauce just with the little spoon, see how herby it tastes.
It's different than spaghetti sauce.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, it is different. I don't taste any herb in there though.
Do you want a little bit of herbs on yours? I don't want any on my side.
Just like, yeah, okay. Just to say we put some on there.
It's right there.
Yeah, right there.
And this just adds flavor too. It's Parmesan. Not fresh Parmesan, but Parmesan. I can remember when I was younger, this was the only kind of cheese we used on the top. We never even grated any cheese. We just took this and put it on top of the meat. It wasn't nearly as good. For 10 to 15 minutes at 425. 10 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden brown. That's 15 minutes. But we could still let it go a little while longer.
Okay.
I think just for a few more minutes. Maybe another 5.
Okay.
The cheese is starting to bubble, but yeah, a few more minutes.
I guess it's longer on than what the box said.
Well, you know, we're using stoneware and not, stoneware might make it take a little bit longer than an actual aluminum pan.
Looks good.
Okay. Shut the oven off. You can see the dividing line. Which side is which, Ted?
Well, the one with pepperoni is your side.
Which one is that? Is that this one?
I'm not sure.
I think that's my side. I think that looks like the pepperoni side, but I can't tell. I think it's round there.
Yeah. Let's have a look underneath.
Practically perfect.
Yep. And that's to do with the cook
It's to do with the oven.
or the stoneware.